like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, she ain't either. Why second guess? I should've stayed. What a real man supposed to do? We lay around and play around and got time to hate with my crew. I love her. I love her. Gotta get my love.
Seduce me, you don't choose it. Need you to back it up. Hey, girl, I ain't fast enough. I'm not in love. And then bad vibes. You know that as it goes, I see where it's going. Apparently, man, it's fine. I don't even know. Damn, I can't lie, nigga, I love you. Yeah. I ain't a referee, but she know I'm official. She got both.
Hey y'all, we made it. Y'all like the hair? But I'm gonna cook, but I want to listen to music, so I will still show y'all the process of the cooking. And I'm making some mac and cheese and some rice. But I'm gonna cook and I'm listening to music, and I'm gonna talk to y'all in the middle of while I'm cooking.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me
Now I'm making the roux for the mac and cheese, and I don't have any flour, so now it's okay. I'm a chef, so I know what to do. Don't play. Don't play, don't play, don't play. Y'all, look at these oxtails. I ain't never made them before. So. Timer.
There's no automatic stop.
I guess I'm on my camera. So the timer just went off. So I'm gonna let this pot get hot, and I'm going to. Hold on. Let me finish mac and cheese first. Alright, y'all. So I finished the mac and cheese. So this is what the mac and cheese looking like. So hold on. Since we don't have an oven, I'm just gonna try to sit here and let the mac and cheese sit here and just let the mac and cheese sit here and melt because there's no oven in here. Here's the mac and cheese. Hold on. I have it sitting right here. And then I have my oxtails boiling. So I'm gonna cover them, and then I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little. Just a tad. And then I'm gonna let them cook, and I'm gonna check on them in like good timer for like 35 minutes, and I'm gonna see how they're looking. Feel it make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just. Alright, y'all. So I feel like everything is done. I made the rice. Actually, I did. I didn't make the rice, but I made the mac and cheese. I hope this is hot enough. The oxtails got done. So we're gonna do a taste test, honestly. Bro, people that put ketchup in their oxtails is disgusting. I was looking at the recipe and everybody was literally putting ketchup in their oxtails, and I do not like ketchup. I literally, no, ketchup is not for me. But if you love ketchup, hey, I'm not gonna hate on you, you know. But ketchup, I don't see how people can eat that, especially when people are ketchup lovers and like they put ketchup on their eggs. Disgusting. Disgusting. Alright, we're gonna do a taste test. Taste test first. Hold on. I need to take a picture. Picture. Y'all, I have been taking a lot of pictures and I usually don't. Alright, so here's my plate. Here's a plate. Alright, I'm gonna taste this real quick. Mac and cheese first. No, that was good. How you taste everything? You wanna taste it together? Some rice? Ready?
You say something with the rice?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, I didn't even get a bite. They're hot.
I like that. Waiting. First time. So I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. See y'all later. Yo, I Lotto only dropped one song. I thought it was a whole album. But it's okay. But anyways, good morning. It is 10:18. I'm about to get ready. We're gonna go get acai bowls, going to the beach, and then later we're gonna go to the movies. Y'all, last night I snatched off my clusters, so I gotta redo them. I used a different glue and it was aggravating my eyes, so I'm just gonna use the same glue I used last time. But I'm gonna brush my teeth and stuff and get ready for the day. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get ready. Hey y'all. Oh, I just locked it. So earlier I was getting ready. I already did my lashes. I put some bottom lashes on because I cannot find my mascara. I don't know what I did with it. Right now I'm done getting ready. Hold on, let me see if I can show y'all my outfit. Yeah, I'll put that right there. Okay. So I just have this shirt I got from, where did I get this? H&M. These are from Ross, and these are from Fashion Nova. And then Pandora, this little bracelet, and I've got my edges laying down so they can stay. But I'm going to show y'all the view. Look at this lake. It's so pretty. And we like right on the strip. So like really we can walk to the beach. I don't know if y'all can see through this lake, like back there. Hold on, let me zoom in. Like over there. Literally is the beach. Ooh. So we finna drive like 20 minutes to get acai bowls. We was gonna go earlier, but we had ate leftovers from last night, so I wasn't really hungry. And then we were gonna get pub subs for the beach, but we're just gonna go get our acai bowl, go to the beach, and then come back, shower, movies, dinner. I'm gonna need a snack. Yeah, but we're gonna do pub subs tomorrow for the boat ride. Yeah. Yeah. I'm starting to use this the pillable lip liner, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it down. And I love my hair. Like, why do I keep doing that? Like, I love my hair. Like, it's just so cute. Like, look at it. Like, me and Auntie 8 down. Auntie 8 down. I gotta put it where I got this hair from because I really love it, and I'm gonna order from her from now on. But yeah, it's currently 1:06. I'm trying to make it to the beach around like 2:30. Be there for a cool like 2 hours. But I'm trying to decide if I want to walk, but because we have all this stuff, like we got an umbrella and some chairs. But walking with all this stuff, I just don't know. But then again, I don't know where to park if we go by the beach. I don't think they have like public parking. So we shall see. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Hopefully I'm gonna record on the beach. I don't like bringing a lot of stuff to the beach because it's public, but I'm gonna bring y'all. I'm trying to record, but I'm gonna talk to y'all later when we go get our acai bowls. Yeah.
Pass the reposado. If he looking your way, then he is not my hoe. He want me bad, her here. Dog can't get no coochie at the queen. Put some Lulu on his butt. Fuck the strap, we getting money. Fresh to death when I pop it, hoe you forever looking fun. No type of time I make it pay, I might just put it in his face. Well,
Got nothing against you, we human, we all have issues, but I'm tired of being tired. That part of me to die. I see it and I don't act like I'm blind. I'm confident it won't be one of mine. No emotions trying to lie. So
search your Instagram like what you watching for? She mad, that nigga dropped the bag. He like gonna shake that ass. He like gonna shake that ass.
we are here. We here at my favorite place ever. Well, not ever, but they got good acai bowls. It's not my best place ever. I don't remember what. I don't even remember the like what's the best acai bowl place I've had. I remember my name was on here. What? Yeah, we had wrote our name on here. It's either that one or the one over there. Or no, it's this one. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, can I get a custom bowl? Yeah. And can I get granola? Can I get extra granola? Mango, pineapple, and raspberry.
Okay.
And then can I get extra honey? Yeah. And that's it.
Okay.
And this is full size.
Yes, please.
This 1284. What was that name?
Taya. T-I-Y-A.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, come on. We can go find somewhere to sit. Y'all, my birthday is in 2 days. OMG. Pizza bowl. I should have got pineapple instead of mango. If you don't have honey on your bowl, what are you doing? So it is hot. Like hot. This is that Florida weather. The last time I came to Florida, it was cold. Windy. Like couldn't get in the water cold. Water was freezing. Freezing. But we ate our acai bowls. It was good. Not the best, but they changed their acai base. And I could tell. Like it was less sweeter. But I got extra honey, so I made up for it. But we're gonna go get some towels for the beach. And then I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm probably gonna turn the camera back on when I get to the beach though. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at this. Excuse me. Yeah, I got this speaker from Ross. Let me show y'all. And I love it. It's a clip JBL speaker. And it was only $40. Cutesies. I hope it's charged. It's been on a charger. I'm gonna tell y'all when we get to the beach. Hey y'all. So we made it to the beach. Y'all, let me tell you what we just went through to come to the beach. So where we staying at is literally right across from the beach, but it's like a hotel and they're renovating. So we parked at our we was parked by our hotel, not hotel, we was parked by our B&B, and we walked across to just go to the beach. And they were like it was private access, so we had to get back in the car, drive to this public one that was like it was like 4 minutes away, but it was a 15 minutes walk. So we was like, we already just walked, so we gonna walk back to the car and drive back down here. So we just set up our chairs in our tent, and we just sit here chilling, enjoying the water. I can't wait to put my feet in some sand, like for real. But yeah, we got our tent set up. Look. And we got a good little spot. Good little spot. But yeah, we probably gonna be here for like an hour and a half, maybe 2, depending on how I get. But we do plan on getting in the water. You know, when you by the beach, it's more windy, but it feels good right now. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna tell you like one fear of mine that I have. Being stranded in the middle of the ocean. Last year we was in a boat and it was like storming, and this man took us, like it was a group of us, like a big group of us, and he just took us in the middle of the ocean. Like we had rented a boat ride. He took us in the middle of the ocean, and it was like very windy, so we were just rocking, and we wasn't even supposed to be out there. And he even said himself like it's dangerous being out here, and we almost, like the boat almost flipped, like literally, like how many times did the boat almost flip? Like so many times. I'm up here like, bro, like please, cause no, and like we was like in the middle of the ocean, like middle of the ocean. It was crazy, so crazy. But y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. We probably can listen to some music and then get in the water for real. Enjoy this little water. I like that beach. I know it fits me just right. And I ain't even tried it on when I got it, so I'm glad. And I got a yellow one, but I like this. I don't know what to say though. Cote or something. I don't know. Somebody let me know what to say. I don't know. I have been chatting. We've been chatting for almost 4 minutes. Cause like, but when I post this video, I'm gonna have like 2 other videos up. In my last video, I wasn't really doing a lot of chatting. You know, I gotta get back on my recording stuff for real. Like, I have to. There's no other option. It's just I got to do it. I gotta do it.
Oh, that means the coast. It's like an area in France, like Nice kind of. So it means the coast of.
Oh, it means the coast of France.
coast of Azores.
The coast of Azores. Yeah.
Oh no, I don't.
No, don't listen. Never mind. It don't mean the coast of Azores. It don't mean that.
That means the French Riviera.
The French. Okay, it means the French Riviera. So, yeah, listen to her.
Yo, I'm just saying.
Literally. Y'all, I love being by the water. Like, I would want to live in Florida, but I couldn't live in Florida. Like, I would just have to have a beach house in Florida. Like, I would like to be down here for like 2 weeks at a time and live right by the beach. Literally live right by the beach. Like, I would love that. But let me stop talking y'all head up. We about to chill and stuff, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey y'all, it is 7:08. Movie starts at 9:15, and we just got back, took a shower, and now I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna make some steak and mashed potatoes, and then probably eat some of the mac and cheese that we had left over from yesterday. I'm gonna wear this to the movies, a little sundress with these little sandals that I had on earlier, and I'm gonna put on like a brown and cream purse. I don't know how I'm gonna wear my hair yet. Probably maybe a side part, maybe a pony. I don't know. We're gonna see. But I'm gonna cook, and I just want to check in with y'all. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I'm like fully dressed and finna get ready to go. So adios. Baby, when we young, we should just have fun. We should just do whatever we want and tell everyone that we fell in love with each other. So I just got here. Yeah, it's so cute here. Look at this. Like, it's like a little downtown area or whatever. Hey y'all. Yeah, it's like so many people on this boat right now, so I hope y'all can hear me. And they playing music, so I'm not gonna be able to talk for long. But we got on this boat, y'all. This morning has been very hectic. I feel very awkward. It's like so many people on the boat, and then I'm in the middle of the boat, and I'm just talking. So we are about to go to Crab Island. I was supposed to vlog this morning, but I had to make breakfast, and they told me we had to be here out early, and we still wasn't here out early. But it's okay, we still on the boat. We had to go to Publix and get some food, and we got something to drink. Luckily they let us bring the cooler, so yeah. But I'm probably not gonna be able to talk until we get there. But I will show y'all my journey for sure. So I will talk to y'all later. Y'all can hear me, but it's really loud and the music is playing. But I'm not gonna bring my camera in the water, so I'm gonna have to talk to y'all when I like come up here. But this is how like the water is looking today. It's so pretty out here, like yeah.
Check it out.
Like it's so beautiful out here. But I'm gonna go enjoy my time. Birthday tomorrow, so I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back over here. I just took my pictures, but yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Rain, rain, go away. That's what all my haters say. I used my ID for the first time. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I don't think they can hear me. You know, mic up. I just got a mic up. Yeah, we had this restaurant called Crackings. And it's so packed. We had to sit at the bar. But, you know, I'm 21, so bar it is. Bar it
Somebody
is.
turned 21 and don't know how to act.
Don't. It's my day, my way.
Yo, she's a baby. Legit.
But we just got a 40-ounce mimosa. Need to drink some water.
Oh, what you get?
My brother make it happen whenever, wherever, whenever. Y'all, that just made me want to cry. So bad. Y'all, look at my pictures I'm finna post. But I don't know if I want to add a song or not. Now I'm finna try they lobster Gouda grits or something like that. Please. I'm gonna try their lobster Gouda grits.
They good.
What the world? That's buzz. Told you.
What?
I told you. That's
Nah,
10
that's
out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Thank you.
Do you ladies need anything else?
No, we're good. Thank you. Most definitely is. All right, y'all. So we I thought I was gonna eat all my food. I didn't. But I'm about to put this in a to-go plate. And we plan on going to the beach. Beach baddie. Is the English muffin good? It's just plain.
Yeah.
Y'all, the food was really a 10 out of 10. That steak was good. Good. They cooked it perfect. I said medium plus, and medium plus they gave me. Y'all, this biscuit though, good. Bomb. That biscuit is fire. Fire. Right now it's currently 1:26. Ooh, I gotta go. I cannot take a nap today. No nap. Who sleeps on their birthday? Nobody.
Yeah, you took a 3 hour.
I took a 3 hour nap. I had to take a 3 hour nap yesterday. That boat ride had me drained. Had to. This little one curl finna. I didn't take pictures in my little fit, but I don't know if I feel like it. Hey y'all, so it's like, what time is it? It's like 6 something, going on 7, and I'm about to go eat some seafood. After we got to eat at Crackings, which is so good, 10 out of 10, def recommend. We went to the beach, we got in the water, was chilling there for a little bit, and then we came back here, shower, and then changed. I put on this top from True Religion. Skirt is from Fashion Nova. Right now I have on my curtain slides, but I'm supposed to be wearing my fobs. But if I go to the car and my fobs don't look right on my feet with this outfit, I'm gonna change back into these slides, because even though I wore them earlier, I don't care. Cause I definitely did not try this on. Just had it on in my head. And sometimes the fobs don't look right on my feet, so depending on what I wear it with. So if it don't look right with this skirt, I'm definitely gonna wear my slides. But I don't really care, it's okay. So, but I'm still trying to figure out if I want to keep on my gold jewelry or change back to my silver, because I'm a silver girly. But what I had on earlier, the skirt had a gold button, so I just put on my gold jewelry. But it took me forever because I had to change my earrings, my nose ring, all that, and they were just doing too much. But I'm gonna probably see y'all when I get to the restaurant or in the car, maybe, to show y'all the outfit. But I was just checking in with y'all. I feel like I haven't been talking to y'all. I feel like the last time I said something was earlier. But, we shall see. So I'm gonna get with y'all later. Adios.